The Indian rope trick was not just one trick where a magician made a rope stand in the air, but a series of magical effects. He took a blue cloth, and then from the cloth produced a boy. The boy was then commanded to climb the rope. Now you must remember that this trick happens outdoors, and next the magician focused his attention upon the basket, which had been standing there all the time. Removing the blue cloth, he then covered the basket with that very same cloth with which he had produced the boy, and the crowd expected the boy to reappear from the basket. But no, there was even more magic to come. I mentioned earlier the trick had a gory side to it. Well, the magician climbed to where the boy had disappeared, and sweeping the sword through the air, various pieces of the body were seen to fall. The legs, the torso, the arms, the head. And then the magician descended to collect the pieces together. As you can see, the various pieces of the body were collected and placed into the basket, and once again they would be covered with the blue cloth. This could not have been a very pleasant task.